Hi guys, back with Bassington. I hope you're well. I hope you're all keeping safe. I have been treating myself to another new watch. So I thought I would do a quick unboxing. And it is another Tudor. I think Tudor provide exceptional value for money. And what model have I bought? Well, I have gone for the Tudor Pelagos in blue. So I've been slightly different. The last two Tudors I bought the Black Bay P01. I bought the Tudor Pelagos in blue. I haven't bought the Black Bay 58 or the Black Bay GMT or the Black Bay chronograph. I've gone for the models that are, dare one say, not as popular. But I think this is an exceptional watch. I really do. I think it is probably one of the last genuine tool sports divers left on the market. And that's why I decided to purchase it. I will do a more detailed vlog on this watch. In the meantime, stay safe and stay tuned.